Hello, friends. This is a book called Hug Machine by Scott Campbell. Whoa, here I come. I am the hug machine. I am very good at hugging, the best at hugging. No one can resist my unbelievable hugging. I am the hug machine. My hugs calm people down. They cheer them up. They make them go completely nuts. I am the hug machine. I hug everything I see. No one escapes the hug machine. My hugs make the biggest feel small and the smallest feel big. I hug soft things, hard things, square things, long things. I am the hug machine. Oh, do you need a hug? I think you do. Hug accomplished. There's nothing the hug machine will not hug. What about me? I'm so spiky. No one ever hugs me. They are missing out. Oh, look at that hug. What about me? Surely I am too big for you to hug. Of course not. Not for the hug machine. People often ask what the hug machine eats to keep the hugging energy high. Well, the answer is pizza. The hug machine likes pizza very much. Refueled and ready for action. Hug, 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 hug. Hug! Phew! What a tiring day of hugging. The hug machine is exhausted. Hug machine can hug no more. Oh, why yes, you may hug the hug machine. Hug machine is always open for business. Bye, friends.